you've ever said to yourself, I need to make money from home, but I have no time and I have no idea where to start, this video is for you. I've been there too. So you want to help with the finances, you want to feel like you're contributing or maybe even doing something for you again, but between school drop-offs, after school activities, all the chaos and every day of mom life, trying to find a job that actually fits inside of all of that feels impossible. And to make it harder, most jobs want you either in an office on a strict schedule, or if it's some kind of work at home opportunity, it's like selling stuff to your friends and family. But I can tell you that there is another way. I knew when my kids were little that I wanted to be home with them. I didn't want to hear about all the cute things that they did today from somebody else. I wanted to be there. And I knew that I needed flexibility on when I could work. And I definitely did not want to have to hit up everyone I know to buy stuff or to host parties so that other people can buy stuff. So that's when I found an opportunity to learn bookkeeping. And I realized that it is one of the most practical and flexible ways to actually earn money from home. Bookkeeping is task-based, it's deadline-driven, and it's remote-friendly, so you can actually decide when and where you work. You don't need a degree, and you don't have to work crazy hours. You just need to learn the real-world skills that small businesses need and that I assure you they are happy to pay for, because nobody goes into business to do their own bookkeeping. So, how do you actually get those skills if you don't already have them? You could definitely learn bits and pieces of how to do bookkeeping by searching through YouTube and finding lots of different videos about stuff, but it's hard to know what you need to look for or to fit all of those different pieces together. And it's really hard to feel confident that you actually know how to do it if you haven't done it, if you're not practicing it. So that's why I created the Accounting Fundamentals course. It's made for moms who have no experience. It breaks everything down step by step, and it guides you through the end-to-end process. You can complete it in small chunks, just 5, 10, 30 minutes at a time, whenever your life allows. I explain accounting in terms that normal human beings can understand, and will give you practice opportunities so that you can take what you're learning and actually practice those skills. There's also a certification to show that you've completed the course, and by the end, you'll know how to manage real business books and feel confident doing it. So, if you're tired of feeling stuck, but you cannot add another huge demand to your day, you don't need more time, you just need the right next step. And this could be it. So click the link in the description below to learn more about the course, or you can feel free to grab my free guide, The Top 5 Jobstacles That Moms Face and How to Get Around Them. I want to help you find your right next fit solution, and I hope that bookkeeping is it.